Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Speedglas welding helmet is probably one of the most crucial pieces of safety equipment for any welder, offering unparalleled protection against harmful UV and IR radiation, sparks, and flying debris, all while providing a clear and comfortable view of your work. This advanced auto-darkening helmet is designed to enhance your welding experience, reducing eye strain and fatigue, allowing you to focus on precision and quality, making it an indispensable tool for both professional tradespeople and dedicated hobbyists seeking the highest standards in safety and performance. Number 5. ARCCAPTAIN HSH S800 Skeleton Night Welding Helmet. Experience incredibly quick transitions from light to dark in just 1/25,000th of a second. With 4 premium arc sensors, it's ready for any welding task, easily adjustable for different environments. See your work with unparalleled clarity thanks to the 1111 optical clarity lens and true color technology. This provides a more realistic view, boosting your efficiency and precision. Enjoy longer working times with solar power and replaceable batteries. Built from high-quality, durable materials, it's designed to withstand tough conditions and meet safety standards. Work all day in comfort with its lightweight design and adjustable, padded headband. The flexible yet strong material ensures a perfect fit for any user. Your eyes are fully protected with automatic dense 16 UV IR filtering. This smart filter effectively blocks harmful light, adapting to various welding environments. What we like. Experience unparalleled clarity with true color technology and a large viewing area. Its 4 premium arc sensors ensure rapid darkening for maximum eye protection. If you demand precision and a realistic view of your weld pool, especially for TIG, MIG, and arc welding, this helmet is an excellent choice for detailed work. What people say. It works excellent, just as good as his $400 welding hood. Also that he liked the design and the color. As far as the lens viewing window, it works great as well and is auto-darkening, which is nice. It's comfortable, lightweight yet sturdy, and has a big clear field of vision. I'm a much better and steadier welder now that I can see clearly. The sensitivity is perfect, and the delay is quick. I love the true color feature. It's not super heavy, but other than that, zero complaints, and I get compliments on the design. Number 4. 3M Speedglas 9121 Welding Helmet. Experience welding like never before. Our advanced auto-darkening filter brings you more realistic colors, allowing for greater precision and contrast when viewing your welds and the welding pool. Easily switch between grinding and welding modes without removing your gloves. The intuitive silver front panel puts essential controls right where you need them. Save your preferred settings for darkness, shade, sensitivity, and delay with 2 memory modes. Access them quickly with simple push-button operation. Our auto-on technology means you can grab your helmet and get straight to work. It automatically powers on to your last use setting, saving you valuable time. Gain an expanded peripheral vision thanks to the integrated side windows. This wider field of view helps you see potential hazards and coworkers more clearly. Rest assured, this welding helmet meets rigorous safety standards, including ANSI Z 87.1-2010 for impact and ANSI Z 89.1 when used with an approved hard hat. What we like. Enjoy enhanced realism and contrast with the 9121 auto-darkening filter, offering a more natural color perception. The convenient external controls and dual memory modes allow for quick adjustments and personalized settings. If you value efficiency and a wider field of vision to stay aware of your surroundings, this helmet is designed for seamless operation. What people say. It's lightweight, the headgear is comfortable, the side viewing panels, number 5 shade, are incredibly nice when it comes to safety and knowing where you're going. The 21 cartridge is phenomenal. Colors are vibrant and true. Visibility when the arc is struck is next level when it comes to clarity. But the most understated feature that I never knew I would appreciate so much, the venting. 3M added ventilation that allows your breath to be exhausted from the hood. Fumes don't enter the hood from the venting either. Clever design. But best of all, you don't fog up your lenses and you stay cooler when working because the furnace that is you exhaling escapes the hood without traveling over your face. It's amazing. The headgear is also great, it's super comfortable even after all day wear. It fits the way you want. Adjustability is seemingly endless. The vision in helmet is top-notch, although on the ad the viewing screen doesn't seem big. The helmet's mounting systems bring you closer, opening the field of view even more. Having peripheral vision in an atmosphere like the high-speed factory I work in is a huge win. Much more alert to forklifts and crane chains. The headgear fits snug and stays tight. I flip 600 to 800 times a day and it still works like new. The lens is huge and very clear. You can even see around your puddle even with darker shades. Most surprising to me is that this hood just doesn't die. For one, welding out in -15 with an auto-darkening lens, I for sure thought that it would barely darken or not darken at all. But it never skipped a beat, plus the vents help the lens never fog up. This hood has been dropped and thrown before, yet it still works as if it's brand new. Number 3. 3M Speedglas 9100 Welding Helmet 06-0300-51SW. Introducing the 3M Speedglas 9100 Welding Helmet, designed for ultimate protection and comfort. This model comes with integrated side windows for enhanced peripheral vision. The helmet shell features integrated side windows, providing you with a wider field of view. This allows for better situational awareness while you work. A comfortable and adjustable headband is included with this helmet. It ensures a secure and personalized fit for extended wear. The striking silver front panel not only adds a professional look but also offers durability. It's built to withstand the demands of your welding environment. Proudly made in Sweden, this welding helmet embodies quality and precision engineering. Experience the reliability that comes with superior craftsmanship. This helmet shell is ready to be paired with your auto darkening filter, ADF. Customize your protection to meet your specific welding needs. What we like. This offers a robust helmet shell with integrated side windows for expanded peripheral vision. It comes complete with a comfortable headband, ready for your preferred auto-darkening filter. If you already own an ADF or are looking to build a custom setup, this provides a solid foundation for your welding protection. What people say. The filter fits in it perfectly. I like this hood much better than the FX. It's much lighter, has better coverage and stays in the up position much better due to its lighter weight. I like the vents right at your nose area. Doesn't fog the screen like other hats. The side windows are nice for seeing things in motion around you while welding. It's really lightweight and the headband is far superior to any other hood I've used. It really distributes pressure evenly and doesn't become uncomfortable wearing it for hours. Number 2. 3M Speedglas 100V Welding Helmet. This welding helmet features an auto-darkening filter that protects your eyes from the intense light of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. It provides a clear view before, during, and after your weld. With 3 sensitivity settings, you can easily adjust the light to dark switching for almost any welding application. This ensures optimal performance tailored to your specific needs. You can select your preferred dark shade from a variable range of 8 to 12. This feature enhances your view of the work area, allowing for greater precision. This helmet comes fully assembled and is ready to use right out of the box. It's an excellent choice for those starting their welding careers, tradesmen, and DIY enthusiasts, meeting ANSI Z87.1-2010 standards. It's perfect for a wide range of tasks including assembly, maintenance, grinding, sanding, and metal repair. This makes it a versatile tool for many industrial and occupational jobs. What we like. Get reliable auto-darkening protection with the 100V filter, featuring user-selectable shades from 8 to 12 for various welding tasks. Its 3 sensitivity settings offer customization for different weld types. If you are a student, part-time welder, or DIY enthusiast looking for a dependable and easy-to-use helmet for MIG, TIG, and stick welding, this is a great starting point. What people say. It's really something what you can do with 3D modeling. Anyway, I can only hope 3M can come close to what the Swedes had created for longevity. Other than that, it's comfortable, light, responsive and looks cool. I like the ability to vary the shade in response to dark sensitivity. The clarity and viewing area is outstanding and will put my other helmets to shame. It has 8 to 12 shades, so you have a little variance there if you need to go a little lighter, and if you are welding a seam or something and have to do a lot of small welds, it has a delay so you aren't constantly blinking. Grind mode is pretty nice. As far as comfort goes, sometimes I forget I'm wearing it and the sweat band is comfortable too. I weld for 4 to 5 hours a day and it's pretty comfy for those hours. Pretty good face protection when welding and grinding, good coverage. Number 1. 3M Speedglas 9100 Welding Helmet Outside Protection Plate. Ensure the longevity of your welding helmet with this essential replacement part. It's designed to shield your auto-darkening filter from sparks and debris. This is an authentic replacement part specifically made for your welding helmet. Keep your gear performing at its best with genuine components. Crafted for durability, this plate offers reliable protection. Its robust design withstands the rigors of daily welding tasks. Replacing this part is straightforward, minimizing downtime. Get back to your work quickly with a simple and effective solution. Maintain clear visibility during your welding projects. This protection plate helps keep your view unobstructed for precise work. Experience the quality craftsmanship originating from Taiwan. This part is manufactured to high standards for dependable performance. What we like. Ensure the longevity and performance of your auto-darkening filter with these standard-sized outside protection plates. Designed for easy replacement, they offer crucial defense against spatter and scratches. If you're looking to maintain optimal visibility and protect your investment in your welding helmet, these replacement parts are essential. What people say. It is my favorite product. Very durable and clear and able to use last longer. Nice to see what I'm working on. Always nice to fit a new front cover lens, they are as described, always good to see what you're welding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.